पुस्तकाचें नांव पाणकुली आनी शिस्त. ह्या पुस्तकान 15 काणयो आसात. 15 काणयांचे सारांश समरी ह्या पुस्तकाच्या टायटलान आसा. हे पुस्तकाचें टायटल म्हाका दिनेश सरान सुचयलें. म्हाका तें टायटल आवडलें कारण 15 काणयांची समरी ह्या टायटलान आसा. तुमी मुद्दाम ह्यो 15 काणयो वाचात. तुमकां आवडटकच त्यो बाकीच्या भुरग्यांकूय तुमी हें पुस्तक भेट म्हणून दियात. तुमकां आवडटलें पुस्तक नो डावट. तुमी भेट म्हणून बाकीच्या ल्हान भुरग्यांक हें पुस्तक दियात. तांची मदत जातली.
The word impossible is not in the dictionary of Shraddha Garad, and that is why I appreciate it. How that book was prepared, that book which was nationally accepted, is a fact. Of course, it is a question mark as well. We all will look into it, and that is why I am saying the word impossible is alien to her. This book also, I don't know why it is translated into Malayalam as well. All Indian languages it should be. It is very easy nowadays. You are the asset, permanent asset and investment of Goa Raj Bhavan, and whatever is required, you inform me.
Shraddha is a talented writer who has been active in spite of her limitations. She is also capable of touching the intangible, and this is the special quality that every writer has. And more importantly, she makes things possible which are otherwise impossible.